Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to download free Lightroom presets. So, I will tell you two different steps to download the preset. In the first step I will tell you how to download the preset with the password link. Then I will tell you how to download the preset without password. Let's start with the first step. First of all, play the tutorial video of the preset that you want to download. Remember the instructions, don't skip the video, otherwise you won't get the password. The password is a 4 or 6-digit number that will appear separately and randomly. So be patient and don't skip any part of the video. The password will appear as a card on the top right corner of your mobile screen. And please watch the video on the YouTube app of your mobile phone. Till then, press the like button, subscribe button, and press the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a video. So, the password will appear like this. And after getting the password, open my description box for the preset link. Click on the link, and remember, open the link on Chrome browser. This link will take you to my website. Now search for the preset that you want to download. Here is the preset, click on the preset. Now here are two different links. The first link is the password link, and the second link don't have password, that's the no password link. So now, simply enter the password and download the preset. Now let's come to the second step, that is how to download the preset without password. It's simple, just click the link in the description and search for the preset. Here is the preset, click on the preset. Now here are two different links. Click on the second link, that is the no password link. Now pay attention to the steps I am showing here. Remember, don't click anything else or close any pop-up, otherwise you will be messed up with a lot of advertisements. Just follow these steps carefully. When you will click on continue, it will take you to a new tab, so simply remove the new tab and come back to your previous tab. Now scroll down and wait for the link to generate. Once the link is generated, click on Get Link. Note that there are many options of Get Link, but you had to click on the right link as I am doing. As you will click on Get Link, it will again take you to a new tab, so simple remove the new tab and come back to your previous tab. So, here is the preset. Now simply click on the download button and download it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please click on the like button, and if you have any queries you can tell me in the comments section, or you can message me on my Instagram. Also follow me on Instagram. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are on a road to 2,000 subscribers. So please hit the subscribe button. AMD help me to reach 2,000 subscribers. That's all for today. See you in the next video.